Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we will be creating fire energy ball inside After Effects using no plugins. So let's get started. So this is the clip that I will be using. First we will create a new solid layer and let's name it fractal noise, and then as the name suggests, we will drag and drop our first effect, that is fractal noise. Now we will change some settings, and fractal type we will choose dynamic progressive, and then the noise type we will be choosing spline, and then click invert, and then we will play with the settings of contrast and brightness till it looks good enough. And then we will be keyframing our evolution settings. I will put an expression time asterisk 200. The next effect that we will be adding is CC sphere. Open light properties and we will tweak some light direction. You can choose direction as you want. And then I will be dropping another effect on it, that is CC vector blur. Change the value of CC vector blur amount to around 80, and then the map softness will be around 2. I think that 2.3 looks good enough for me. Now we will drag the CC vector blur above the CC sphere. The next effect will be turbulent displays. Drag and drop into the fractal noise layer, and then we will tweak its size and amount. Now we will keyframe the evolution of our turbulent displays. Also, we forgot to do some rotation in CC sphere, so open up CC sphere again and then go to the rotation, and then we will animate the Y and the X axis. Now we will pre-compose our fractal noise layer and name it fire energy orb. Also, you can download this free fire energy ball. The link is given in the description. You can check it out if you want to save your time and just use it. Okay, so now we will be opening fire energy orb layer again, and then we will tweak some settings for the contrast and the brightness. Now we will duplicate the layer again, and then the CC sphere, from render we will choose inside. Now head back to the fire energy ball comp, and then we will change the blending mode of the fire energy orb to screen. And now as you can see what we have made till now, and then again we will head back to our fire energy orb comp and then tweak some settings. We will change the map softness of CC vector blur to around 5, and let's see how it looks. Now I will reposition the fire energy orb. Now select fire energy orb, and then we will drag and drop tritone effect, and then we will change its color. The next effect that we will be adding on it is glow effect, and then we will tweak its settings like glow threshold, glow radius, and the glow intensity. And then we will duplicate it again, the glow effect, and then we will increase the radius as much as we can to make it look good enough, and then we will also decrease the glow intensity a bit to make it a smooth look. Now select your main footage and duplicate it and drag it above the fire energy orb, and then we will go to the rotoscope and start rotoscoping our hand, since we want our orb behind the hand to make it look more realistic, and also it will give a good depth. After your rotoscope is done, click freeze frame. We will be also changing some roto brush settings like feather, contrast and the shift edge, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure to drop your like and comment. Have a nice day.